Well, hello YouTube and TikTok channels. It's Belmont here. And before I begin, I want to give a special shout out of thanks to my newest Nebraskan subscribers, thanks to word of mouth by Ty. So, hello Nebraskans. Sure, she's told you good things about the channel, and you won't be disappointed. So, first off, for the evening, we have a nice looking brass padlock Seachoice brand. Now, I've seen a few of these padlocks before, only there were two different types of keys. There were circular and octagonal. So, what I have here is the octagonal one. And of course, this is one of the padlocks that came to me from Mr. Double M, my benefactor. And you can take a look at the key blank here. It's actually got a pretty decent bitting. And we are going to rake it open. Now, I'll admit this keyway was a little stiff when I first started playing at it. I had to tap it a little and give it some love. Also, for October, this will be the final video for the month of October, as Halloween will fall on a Tuesday, and the first of the month, November, All Souls Day, All Saints Day, will occur on a Wednesday. Now, what I love about this Sea Change one is I picked this off camera about 4 different times, and it opened up. Oh, there we go. It opened up about the same amount of time off camera, and you know, I'd never claimed to be a great expert of this. I rake a lot. I still have the whole single pin picking to work with, which is going to take a few years, but I do eventually upgrade my skills. So you'll see the links in the description. There are Amazon and Home Depot, which this couldn't be found at Walmart. So this is actually a pretty decent looking padlock. Yeah, I want to take a look inside. Just a brass body. Doesn't have the ball bearing, so has a different catch to it. However, this is not the first hexagonal key I've come across. It is, however, the first hexagonal key padlock I have done before. Now, personally, I was going to do these two on camera tonight, but you guys have seen plenty of the Dollar Tree brand tool bench hardware locks before. But I still picked these up last week as sort of a Halloween present to me when I did a little dumpster diving for some interesting items that I could use for a reclamation project. So naturally, you're seeing the lockpicks in the background. Of course, these are the quint picks that are from the quad and quint, the wild waves from sparrows. Naturally, I keep inside one of my 2 Ranger kit sets. Now, I do a lot of my checking of things out for tools on AliExpress, as you know. And I was actually surprised to see a set of these come out, and it's on AliExpress with the same key shape design on the head of them, and they were listed as $7, I believe. So I will also put the link to those in the description on the chance that you would like to pick up a set through China. They also had a they also have door shims on there as well, with a price tag of about $6-7. It's not bad, honestly. You're going to notice a lot more stuff from China appearing on the channel. It might be locks, it might be picks, it might be shims, it might be more knockoffs of what Sparrows has. But you're going to hear about them, you're going to see them. And hey, I'm going to keep reporting the truth about Chinese picks. So, hope you enjoyed this week's video. As always, this is Belmont saying, have a happy Halloween this Tuesday, and stick around.